What's up, YouTube? This is Brian Pfeiffer, aka the Marketing Meathead, and today we're going to talk about some spy tricks with Bitly and Shopify. All right, welcome back. Please read the disclaimer. So today I put out a video about a week ago about some really ninja spy tactics. I'll go ahead and put a link above here for you to go ahead and check that out if you haven't yet. But there's a couple other things that I wanted to show you guys that I found very interesting. Let's talk about the site MyIPMS. Okay, MyIP.ms. Here it is right here. Okay, I'll put a link for this below. And if you go into websites right here, okay, and you actually go in and let's see where I'm at, the hosting, the websites, and this is like the worldwide websites, and you can actually do a search by Shopify. Okay, so scroll down, it actually comes up here as a like hosting company, like a GoDaddy or something would also come up. So here's Shopify Inc. All right, so go ahead and open that, or actually search that. That's an ad, sorry. All good. And anyway, check this out. So guess what this is? All the Shopify stores out there. And what you can start to see is the world site popular rating. So these top sites are the best performing websites on the Shopify platform, okay? So you can just click on these sites and you can go and actually look at them, kind of see a little information about them and whatnot, but you can actually go to these sites and let's do that. Let's go over to this one here and take a look at what we got. And you can see it's obviously in Spanish. It looks like some different language of some sort, but it's a high traffic website, and basically you can go in and whatever this thing is. So interesting here. It looks like some kind of innovation in robotics or something. I don't know if you can actually buy it here, but let's check out another one. That one's kind of a weird one. It's in another language. And let's go back. Let's see. Here's another Shopify one. Let's go to this one, Gymshark. See what that one looks like. All right. So this one looks a little bit more like what we're used to here. You got some men's and women's clothing. Looks like you got some accessories. This store. So what you need to do is take a look at these high performing stores. If one of these stores is in the top 20 here, okay, these guys have figured it out. Okay, they figured out how to get traffic to it. They figured out how to optimize. They figured out things that are working. Notice the images, how they get larger when you roll over them. Notice the home page, when you go on the home page, the cleanliness of it, how it's nice and crisp. The images are high quality. You go on here and you're going to be able to find probably some top selling products and whatnot. So you could probably go on to Gymshark on Facebook and see if you can find the actual fan page for them. Let's take a look. This could be, I'm just going off the cuff here because I want to not script this video. I want to show you guys how I actually go in and do that. So let's do Gymshark. H-A-R-K. See what happens. See if we get the, look at this. Here's probably their page. All right, so they're going to like that page. And let's check out their info and ads. And we're going to see what's running right now. And looks like they have for everyone every day. Looks like they're doing a video ad here. Another video ad. Basically just this shows all their ads. So this is what they're running right now. This is what's working. This is what's crushing it for them. But depending on whatever niche you're in, this is the way to go out and start doing some spying on your customers and whatnot. And this is a nice way to start. So this website here, which is myip.ms, is a nice place to start. I showed you how to go in there and put Shopify in, and you can find some of the best performing stores. Go in and look up their info and ads. Go look at their stores, see what they're doing, and model their whatever they're doing, because that's obviously working. Because if they're ranking that highly and they're number in the world website rankings, they're number 9,000. You know that they're making a lot of money. So that's pretty much a guarantee that they are crushing it. Okay. So that is the Shopify spy method number one. Number two is let's go over to my handy Turbo Ad Finder here. And there's my friends Lisa and Tiffany. And let's go over to the Turbo Ad Finder here, turn that off, get rid of all the normal people stuff on Facebook, and look for some ads here. And let's look for a bit.ly link. All right. Oh, here's one. So check a look at this. So let's see how popular this link is. All right. Here's a little ninja trick for you guys. This is, you copy that, and you're going to go in, and you're just going to go ahead and put it in your search bar, and then just add a plus symbol to it. Boom. So I added just a plus symbol to that. See the plus symbol? And now we can see how many clicks this thing has. Now this one's doesn't have very much. Earlier today, it looks like they were running some pretty heavy traffic, and then it kind of fizzled out. So that was the amount of clicks that this has had over today. So you can see that this is, they're probably running pretty heavy this morning. Probably that's when they were day parting or whatever, and that's how many clicks. So just by putting a plus after the bit.ly link, you can actually see how much action it's getting. Let's do one more to take a look. Now keep in mind, I showed you guys in the video, on the spy video, on how to go ahead and make your feed look like mine with all these products and all these different little products that people are trying to sell, and using the Turbo Ad Finder to get rid of all the other stuff on your feed except the ads. So that's the point here. This one might be a bit.ly link. Nope. Let's see if we can get another one here. Nope. Here's one. Let's see what we got here. So we can take this, and let's see if this one's got a lot of action. Copy that. Go over here to the browser, put the plus symbol, and boom. What do we have? All right, so January 13th, 946 clicks, and Monday the 14th, 144. So it looks like they just kind of started running this particular link recently, the last few days. There's just a couple clicks here. They're probably doing some testing, 22 clicks. Probably found out that it's a winning product of some sort, and now they're starting to scale. That would be my guess of what's going on here. Let's take a look at that product. And this is some travel assistant thing that's a video. Let's take a look at this video URL. Copy video URL. And let's see here. Take that, and let's take a look and see if we can get some information on that video, see if it's got some action. Yeah, so now we're seeing the video here, and 178K views. So decent, not, I like to see stuff around with 500,000 views and up, but this based on this bit.ly link, this has only been running a short amount of time here, like a few days. So this potentially is a winning product that just kind of got fired up. You could potentially take this video, model it, make it better, change it, take this ad copy, model it, make it better, find this product overseas or potentially locally, and just get the funnel from these guys, go through and like it, and save the video, and then share it to one of your friends in like their messenger or something, and then shop now. Take a look at their Shopify store, and it looks like they're selling it for $24.99. Let's take a look at multifunctional travel organizer. Let's see, AliExpress. See if we can just do a little search here and see what this thing's costing over here. Let's log in, and we'll get that. And let's take a look here. I'm shopping for this, and I don't know. This looks like something that it is here. Let's see. What is this thing? Yeah, it's just some kind of clip thing, it looks like, that goes on. A little charging unit there. Goes on your suitcase. The little strap. Okay, let's see if that's what I'm looking at here. Let's take the music off. And I don't think that's it right there, but I'm pretty confident if you go in and do a little research on Ali, you'll probably be able to find that for $4 or $5, I'm going to guess, or less. And they're selling it for $24.99 on Facebook. Okay, so that's pretty much how you do it. So that's it. That's how, if you want to go find some winning products, that's exactly how you do it. This thing, I mean, based on what I'm seeing here, this thing's probably getting some decent sales the last couple days. So this could be a new type of product that somebody just started blowing up a little bit, and it's worth the test. I would definitely say it's worth the test at this point. So that is the Shopify Bitly method and the high converting store method for Shopify for spying. So if you are new to the channel and you do appreciate these videos, I would appreciate you leaving me a comment below and let me know what you think about my spy tactics. And go ahead and leave me a comment below if you are new. I'd like to welcome you to the channel. If you haven't subscribed yet, go ahead and subscribe. Go ahead and like this video for me as well, and bang that notifications bell if you haven't already. Share this video with some of your friends and whatnot. Helps get the channel growing organically, and I do appreciate everything you guys have done up to this point. We are growing nicely. I am the Marketing Meathead. We'll talk to you guys later. Thank you.